What's up, cherries? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiarra Nicole. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're not, you're OG cherry. Today we're doing a braid out for the first time. Yes, you heard that right, the first time. So let's jump right into it. So I'm gonna be using the I Am Jamaican Black Castor Oil water, as well as the Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner by Shea Moisture, and then the I Am twisting cream. So let's jump right into it. I'm gonna be saturating my hair with this water. I wanted to test it out. It's only $5 and it smells pretty good as well. So I'm hoping I have a good experience with it. I'm going in with that leave-in conditioner. I haven't used this in years, you guys. It still smells like clay and it's still thick. I'm not sure if I'll keep using this. As I'm putting it on my hair, it just felt really thick. Then I'm going in with that cream. The cream isn't too thick. It's not too watery either. It's kind of like that medium hold consistency that you need for a twist out or a braid out. So I wasn't too mad at it. It just glided right through my hair. We're going ahead and start off with the braiding. So I'm braiding in pretty big sections. I don't want to be sitting here braiding all day. Now this isn't a braiding tutorial because I'm not the best braider. However, you can see what I'm doing. I'm taking the middle piece and just breaking it over to each side, creating a 3-strand braid, and it's pretty simple from there. Do want to note, try to make sure your parts are as even as possible. Every single braid was not even. I'm never gonna lie to y'all. I always have an issue with braiding. That's why I stay away from it, because it's different than twist. I'm having an issue trying to braid all the way to the bottom as well. As you can see, I'm just a sucky braider. I'm gonna have to just admit that I suck at braiding. So I twisted it around my finger to make sure it is secure, and then we're gonna keep on going. We're just going to be repeating the same process. I do want to note that I am using a little bit of Xtreme Wetline Gel, especially for the ends, to twirl them around. That way I have some definition at the ends. And we are moving right along. I do want to let you guys know, some of you have questions about trimming. So braids, in my opinion, are a great way to figure out if you need a trim. Your braids should be thick all the way down to the ends. Now, you see my ends are kind of thin and straggly at the bottom. The key is you want to wait until your hair is dry. I will come back when my hair is dry. I'll touch bases again so y'all can see what I'm talking about. If your hair is still straggly and thin at the bottoms and your hair's dry, you need to cut it off. When my hair dries, my hair is thick all the way down. So I did want to let you guys know that because you guys had questions. And we are finishing up, you guys. We're almost done. So there we go. This is what we're looking like now. And I put way too much product in there. Way too much. However, this is what the back looks like. I have a total of 14 braids, 7 on each side. Now my left side looks extremely short because I had to pause and put my daughter down for bedtime. So that already started drying. So before y'all come for me, that's how it was already drying, okay? But I left this in for about 2 days, so I will come back in 2 days and I will see y'all. All right, y'all, it's been 2 days, so now we're going in the takedown process. Argan oil and a pick. So let's go ahead and see what we're looking like, and they're looking pretty good. So y'all see what I'm talking about? My ends are thick all the way down to the bottom. So as you're watching me take these out, look at the rest of my braids. They're thick all the way down. I did do a trim when I did that video of, I guess you could say, the brat braids. Those 8 braids, the big braids that I did. You can see there, I had trimmed those as well too. So this is just the takedown process. You guys have probably seen this a million times. You want to gently take it down with oil. So let's go ahead and take a look at this definition. Yes, ma'am. Alright, so now we're getting into the most important part, which is separating. When you're separating, this can make or break your style, you guys. So you want to be gentle, you want to be careful and take your time. You want to pull from the bottom of your hair strands and see if it's going to automatically separate by itself. You don't want to create any tension between the hair and the flow of the hair. So make sure that you're tucking carefully. And when you're tucking at the bottom of your ends, as you can see, you don't want to do that. You don't want to force it. The last thing that you want to do is pick. I'm not going to pick too much. Y'all know I like my definition. When picking, you want to make sure that you're picking only at the roots and flicking it out. That way you're not messing up the actual curls. So I'm just going to pick. And here we are with the final product, you guys. I really enjoyed this braid out. I don't know why I haven't been doing them. I'm going to definitely start doing them more. Give me more products to do, and I will definitely try these out because I really like this. It is giving me twist out vibes. I can't really tell the difference, probably because it's my first time. But it's giving me very twist out vibes. Like, I can't really tell the difference between the braid out and twist out that I do. However, I really like it. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments below. Thank y'all so much for watching. My name is Tiarra Nicole, and bye.